All right, still on composite functions, we'll be looking at example 2. That's composite functions. Example 2. So let's move on. Example 2 reads, if f, g, and h are mappings defined on set of real numbers R by, that's f of x to be what? 3x plus 1. Then we have g of x to be what? 2x minus 1. Then you have h of x to be what? X squared, x squared. You have to find h of g of x, right? Good. You have to find h of g of x. So now, what that means is this. To find h of g of x, we need to first find g of f. Please, you start from the right to the left. Like, what do I mean? This is the first thing to find. You first find, you already know your f of x. You put your f of x inside g of x like this. F of x. So this is g of f. So after getting the result of this, we now put everything inside h of x. Yeah. So this is what we call h of g of f. Right? Good. So this is what we are looking for. Do you understand? So, and that's what we'll be doing here. So let's start by finding first g of f of x. So now, remember that f of x is 3 plus 1. So g of f of x, so g of f of x will give us, remember the g of x is 2x. So instead of writing 2x, I'll put f of x inside. Instead of writing x, I'll put 2 into 3x plus 1. Do you understand? Please let me take that again. So remember that this g of x, this g of f of x. So I've replaced x with f of x. So f of x is 3x plus 1. So I'll replace that also in this expression. So instead of writing 2, instead of writing x, I'll now put 3x plus 1 because that's what f of x is. Then minus 1. So this is g of f of x, right? Then I solve. So this is 6x plus 2 minus 1. Then which is equals to what? 6x plus 1, right? So now we have found g of f of x, right? Good, which is this, isn't it? Now, the next thing is to find h of g of f. So now, this now I'm going to put inside h. So remember that h of x is x squared, which is this, right? Good. So I will now put h of, sorry, I'll now do h of g of f of x, right? That gives us what? Remember, h of x, everything like this here is like x. So remember that g of f of x is 6x plus 1. So instead of writing x, I'm going to write what? 6x plus 1 all squared, because that's what it means here. Can you see? Can you see where this cursor is? Good. So now, or the pointer rather. So we now expand this. So after expanding this, we have 36x squared plus 12x plus what? 1. And this gives us h of g of f. So this is what we are told to find. 36x squared plus 12x plus 1. So this is how to find or solve composite functions, right? Good. Composite, whichever. So This is how to work out composite functions. All right, we have come to the end of this class. Once again, welcome to Clever Minds. Thank you for your time, and you have a wonderful day.